Now we talk about the visibility test. The visibility test, we talk about how do we tell the number can be divisible by 2 or this number can be divisible by 3 or 5 or not, right? It means we are telling is the number a multiple of 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. We show a different strategy. So how do we tell if a number is divisible by 2? So if the number is even number, it means the one's digit ends with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, 48 is divisible by 2, right? Because 48, the last digit is 8. If this is even number, it can be divisible by 2. For example, 6, for example, 16, for example, 24. Okay, now, how do you test the number can be divisible by 3? So if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, what does it mean sum? For example, we add up, for example, 231. Do you find that 231? 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 231 can be divisible by 3. For example, 231 divided by 3. 7, 3, 21. 21. See? 231 can be divisible by 3. So it means if you add up all the digits can be divisible by 3, so it means this number is divisible by 3. One more example, for example, 189 can be divisible by 3, can be divided by 3. 1 plus 8 plus 9 is what? 18, yes, so this one is done. 246. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12. So this number can be divided by 3. Now we talk about 4. Divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So last 2 digits, for example, 248. The last 2 digits here. 48 can be divisible by 4 because 48 divided by 4 is 12. So we say 248 can be divisible by 4. We tried. 248. We will try here. See? Right? So equal to 62. So even it doesn't matter, for example, 700 plus 716. So we try 716. Just last digit can be 4, it's okay. See? 716 can be divisible by 4. Just the last 2 digits can be divisible by 4. Now we talk about 5. Divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5, so that's easy. For example, 25, 10, 20, 75, 195, right? Just last digit is 0 by 5. 6 Divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Hold done. For example, 372. Because the last digit is 2, so it can be divisible by 2. And the 3 plus 7 plus 2 equal to 12 can be divisible by 3. If you meet these two conditions, now 372 can be divisible by 6. One more example. (18). See, the last digit 8 can be divisible by 2. And 1 plus 8 is 9. So 9 can be divisible by 3. Right. One more example. 1, 1. I make here 2. So can be divisible by 2. And I put a number here. 2, 2. So 1122 can be divisible by 2. And the 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. 6 can be divisible by 3. Therefore, this number can be divisible by 6. 7. Okay. There is no test for 7. So 7, please just use a long division. Try it. Okay. Now we talk about 8. Divisible by 8 if the number formed from the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, or we need a last 3 digits. So if only 2 digits, so you can try use a long division or test by 2 or 4 combine it. But the last 3 digits, for example, 100, 064. 1064, because the last 3 digits, see, here is can be divisible by 8, so it means 1064 must be divisible by 8. Nine. Divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits are divisible by 9. So 9 is very similar to 3. So for example, 981. So 9 plus 8 plus 1 is 18. 18 divisible by 9. So 981 can be divisible by 9. One more example. 927, right? 9 plus 2 plus 7 is 18. 108. So 108, 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. So 108 can be divisible by 9. 10. Divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. So this is easier. For example, 10, 100, 20, 30, 50. Okay. The last one, the most important, the more difficult, we need to explain this one is we talk about how to divisible by 11. If the difference between the sum of the alternating digit is 0 or a multiple of 11. What does it mean? What does it mean alternating digit? So 3, 2, 6, 5. 3 and 6 is alternating digit. 2 and 5 is alternating digits. So he said the difference between the sum of alternating digit. What does it mean? The sum of alternating digit. For example, 3, 2, 6, 5. You just plus 3 and 6, so it's 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. And we need to find a difference between these two numbers. 9 take away 7 is what? 2. So 2 is not 0, it's not 11. So 3, 2, 6, 5 cannot be divisible by 11. We try another number, for example, 3, 2, 6, 5, 2. Okay, now we add up the alternating digits. Find the sum of the alternating digits. These 3 is alternating digits. So add up should be 3 plus 6 plus 2 is 11. 2 plus 5 is 7. So 11 take away 7 is 4. Now this number cannot be divisible by 11. Now if I want to make the number become the multiple of 11, how do we do it? I drop out here. See, I just make a number become what? I think I can make a 3, 6, 6, 5, 2. We tried it. 3 plus 6 plus 2 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11, 2. So now we tried it. Because 11 take away 11 is 0. Now we divide by 11. See? Remainder is 0. So we get it. 3, 6, 6, 5, 2 is multiple of 11. We try one more example. For example, 3, 2, 6, 5, 2, I can change a number. I make 3, 0, 6, 1, 2, 1, 3. So do you find that? 3 plus 6 plus 3 is 12. 0 plus 1 is 1. 12 take away 1 is 11. So this number should be multiple of 11. We tried. 30613 divided by 11, 2, 22, 86. So I just 7, 77, 91, 88, 33, 3. Done. Therefore, 30613 is multiple of 11. This one is not.